How to cancel extra membership on Netflix. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now I am inside the Netflix web version right here, and this is really simple. All you have to do is to click on your profile icon, and once inside you then want to navigate through account. From here, you can just go ahead and scroll down and you can go ahead and see this option. In my case, since I haven't buy an extra member, the message shows that buy an extra member slot, but for you it will be a member slot option. You can just go ahead and click on it, and right after you can then go ahead and see a button called cancel Netflix extra membership slot. You can just go ahead and click on it, and that's it. It's really simple. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.